Hello, I'm Sandra Grace, and I'm excited to be a part of the NGH's virtual conference in 2021. This particular conference, I have several things I get to share with you, and I'm honored to share with you this 2-hour presentation. This presentation is called Awesome Extra Tools for Your Hypnosis Toolbox: How to Use Products and Programs to Grow Your Practice. So as many of you know, my use of hypnosis recently has moved more and more into working with executives and teaching entrepreneurs how to manage their energy to grow their business. In doing so, I use hypnosis with my clients every day. And one of the things that we find really makes a difference is not only the practice of self-hypnosis, but using the same tools and techniques to grow their business. So today, I would like to help you to grow your business, and I would like to give you some additional tools that you may or may not be aware of, or you may or may not know how to use. And so this particular program is designed into growing your hypnosis practice, make it easy and fun to have the right products and the right programs in place to maximize your results and your income. This course allows you to experience products and see programs so that you're confident in using them in your hypnosis practice post-convention. So today we'll learn about some key ideas to incorporating products and which programs and products would be ideal for you. How do you use them? Why do you use them? When do you use them? How do you know which one to use when? All of that will be covered in the class. So I hope you choose to join me at the NGH virtual conference for my presentation. Again, I'm Sandra Grace, presenting Awesome Extra Tools for Your Hypnosis Toolbox: How to Use Products and Programs to Grow Your Business. And I look forward to seeing you there.